represent the Collings Foundation out of Stowe, Massachusetts. That's living history, aviation, military museum. We promote interest and education with aircraft and equipment and weapons that were used in World War II, and basically beyond that. These aircraft are flying relics of that time period. They were used in every theater of operation. What we have here today is a B-17 Flying Fortress, B-24 Liberator. This particular Liberator is the only combat version in existence that saw actual combat in World War II. P-51 Mustang fighter and a B-25 Mitchell medium bomber that was used the 15th Air Force and Mediterranean Theater as a medium bomber. Everything on this airplane is analog. On any of these airplanes are analog. There is no computers. It's all mechanical systems and function that control and fly this airplane. All these airplanes. And it's a lot of maintenance. There's a lot here to take care of. For every hour that these airplanes fly, there's 8 hours of maintenance at least. And inspection. There's a lot of inspection going on.